Colleagues, dear friends in the ECMO community, I would like to warmly invite you to join the EuroELSO Congress, which will be this year in London in person. So it's going to be a great pleasure to meet each other again, because due to this nasty virus, we have stopped it during 2 years. So it's going to be very nice to be reconnected around ECLS and to discuss, to have a very important and nice scientific debate, scientific discussion, knowledge sharing around this topic. So welcome to EuroELSO, and I hope to see you there and to discuss all these points with you in person. EuroELSO means a lot for me. It's really a great family of physicians, nurse and perfusionists who are dedicated to try to improve the management of these patients. So for me, it represents a lot. I really I look forward to doing still many activities with the EuroELSO, and clearly I will be linked with EuroELSO for many years and for probably all my career. So in the scientific program, you will see many sessions. We have tried to really tackle all the aspects and to show you all the novelty in the field of ECLS since almost 2 or 3 years. The program was designed by the scientific committee. It's composed of doctor or physician from Europe, but also composed of nurse and perfusionist, and obviously the doctor are coming from the pediatric side or the adult side. So it was a long process. It's almost a year now that we are working on that program, and clearly we have a very large panel of speakers coming from different fields. We have cardiologists, we have cardiac surgeon, we have an ICU physician, we have also ICU physician in pediatrics. There are also sessions dedicated for perfusionists, dedicated sessions for nurses. So yes, it's going to be very large panel of speakers, very large panel of topics, and also quite a large panel of, we wanted to try to represent all speakers from Europe. So it was the big job of the scientific committee during the last year. There are 2 trials that has been done in Europe, the Prague trial in ECPR and the HypoECMO about hypothermia during VECMO done by Professor Bruno Levy from France. And we wanted, with the scientific committee and the steering committee, we wanted to highlight these 2 major papers in the field, because it's a small field, and even if research is very intense, it's always very complicated to publish in such a big journal. I'm going to be very interested by the joint session with the SMART, which will deal about the future of ECOR and ECO2 removal device, and it's going to be very important and very interesting to see what the European experts think about that, because after the REST trial, we have probably changed a little bit the way to provide extracorporeal CO2 removal, and we have to think how to design the next trial in that topic, which is going to be tough. So I'm looking forward to seeing this session and to seeing this very nice debate with some experts from the SMART Congress in Italy, and other experts will be in London with you to discuss that topic.